Your whole body's in it. He's stuck.
J House Jr.
Unfortunately, we're a bit stranded with the snow. There's quite a blizzard.
What? Isaac, look at Grandma. Yay!
All right, so we started going crazy. And so we decided to have some fun.
Oh, she won! You won!
I got killed by a 1-year-old. So apparently this is the J-House Blizzard Olympics. All right, now it's the basketball challenge.
Good shot! Okay, put him upstairs! Yeah! 2 for 2.
Good work, buddy boy.
3 for 3. He's 100%. 1 for 1.
What?
Yeah! Competition is the balancing the tray competition.
Obstacle course.
Obstacle course.
So she has to balance that tray as she goes through an obstacle course.
Can you pet her? Oh, so good. Say hello, doggy. Where are we going?
We're going outside to play.
We'll see how long this lasts.
Your whole body's in it. He's stuck. Don't lose a shoe. Oh, no! Oh, no! Dive into it, I dare ya. Yeah, I dare you.
J House out. Let's go play.